What you see behind me is one of the racks. It's not compressor, it's like scroll compressor on it. That's 75, imagine it's 75 horsepower. Each one 75. The other and we have the liquid receiver at the end, and we can see there is a expansion valve here, and we have as well the expansion valve, and then we have the control panel at this side, and each one have connected electricity. We have the very big one control panel there, and I can show you how big the oil separator in this one. The oil separator. See, this is the scroll compressor one, and just to give you an idea, and this is the other one. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we have the gas separator. Maybe it's easy to show you from this side.